Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Alkyl MS Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year and quarter results, but we'll give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 245 crores, now 391 crores. Here revenue from operations increase. We'll check it in percentage. Here 60% year on year revenue was increased. This is very good sign. Later other income. Previous year 1.1 crore, now 2.2 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later expenses. First one is cost of material consumed. Previous year 107 crores, now 212 crores. Here cost of material consumed increased. Later change in inventories. Previous year 19 lakhs spent, this year 12 crores credited. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 19.9 crores, now 24.6 crores. Here 4.6 crores was increased. We need to check this employee benefit expenses increased due to employee salary or management salary. Later finance cost. Previous year 1.9 crores, now 1.08 crores. Here interest costs were decreased. One more thing we need to remember that here they are paying very less interest. That means they have very low debt or zero debt. This is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 7 crores, now 7.5 crores. We'll ignore this one. Next one is other expenses. Previous year 39 crores, now 56 crores. Here approximately 17 crores was increased. Now check profit before tax. Here 69 crores previous year as profit before tax. This year 104 crores. Here profit before tax increased 35 crores approximately. We'll check it in percentage. 50% profit before tax increased year on year. This is very good sign. Later tax expense. Here current tax. Previous year 15 crores, now 25 crores. Here current tax was increased. Later deferred tax. Previous year 1.4 crores, now 37 lakhs. Here only little bit change. We'll ignore this one. Next one is net profit. Previous year 52 crores, now 78 crores. Here approximately 26 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 49% profit after tax increase year on year. This is very good sign. Next one is earning per share basic. Previous year 10 rupees 35 paise. This year 15 rupees 39 paise. Here 5 rupees was increased. This is very good sign. Now check quarter results. So here quarter. Previous year revenues are 382 crores, now 391 crores. Here 10 crores revenue from operations increased quarter. We'll check it in percentage. Here 2.5% quarter increase. This is flat. Next one is profit before tax. Previous quarter 126 crores, now 104 crores. Here profit before tax was increased. We need to find the reason. If you see this on cost of material consumed, in March quarter 177 crores, here 212 crores. June quarter cost of material consumed was increased. Due to that one, here they are getting less profit before tax quarter. Later net profit. Previous quarter 92 crores, now 78 crores. So here also net profit was decreased. So we'll check it in percentage. Profit before tax decreased 17% and profit after tax decreased 15%. Here quarter results are not good. Year on year results are good. We need to remember to compare year on year and quarter. In last year June quarter, lockdown was implemented seriously. Due to that one, most of the company's sales are decreased. But this year June quarter also few days implemented lockdown. We need to remember lockdowns at the time of comparing quarter and year on year results. Now check dividends, last 4 quarter results and valuation ratios. Go to BSE India website. Today price of Alkyl MS is 4,274. Results came at market hours. When it comes means, here results came at 12.55. So before 12.55, price is 4,547. After results, price was decreased from 4,555 to 4,200. Why means, here year-on results are good, but quarter-on-quarter results are not good. But market did not consider this as a positive, so price was decreased from 4,500 to 4,200. Now we'll check dividends. Go to corporate actions. Here in 2020 they gave 20 rupees as dividend. In 21 they gave 16 rupees. Here dividend was decreased, but we need to find the reason. Here in 21 they split the stock from 5 rupees to 2 rupees. That means here they gave dividend as 16 rupees. So if we consider split, then they gave approximately dividend as 38 rupees. So here dividend was increased from 20 rupees to 38 rupees. This is positive sign. Now check last 4 quarter results with price. Here we have price chart for 1 year. So before 1 year, price of Alkyl MS is 922 rupees. Current price is 4,400 after split. Now we'll check last 4 quarter results. Go down. Here, last year June quarter sales decreased 7.9%. Profits increased 50%. Here sales decreased, profits increased. Why means? Here expense also decreased 19%. Next one, in September quarter sales increased 23% and profits increased 21%. So if you check this one, sales increased more but profits are less. Why means? Here expenses increased 10.5%. Next one is December quarter. Here sales increased 26% but profits increased only 9.6%. Why means? Here expense increased 8.9%. Next one is March quarter. Here sales increased 62% and profits increased 88%. And also here expense also increased 48%. Comparing with sales, expense increased little bit less. Due to that one, they are getting high profits. So overall, if we check last 4 quarters profits, June quarter 50%, September quarter 20%, December quarter 9%, March quarter 88%. Here March quarter, June quarter results are good, and in December quarter only 9% and September quarter 21%. Overall, these results are good, but if you check the price, here price was increased from 900 to 4,400. Results are good, but price was increased more than that results. We need to consider this one. Now check valuation ratios. Current market cap of Alkyl MS is 21,843 crores. ROCE is 55.8%. This is very good. Here ROE is 44.6%. This is also very good figure. Debt to equity is 0.06. That means this is zero debt company. Later, free cash flow for 10 years is 485 crores. Free cash flow for 5 years is 359 crores. This is very good sign. Next one is price to sales. Here 15.7. That means to generate 1 rupee sales, we are spending 15 rupees. That means based on price to sales, here Alkyl MS is overvalued. Now check PE. PE before result is 74. PE after result is 68. Here Alkyl MS got good results year on year. Due to that one, PE was reduced from 74 to 68. This is positive sign. Now compare current PE with 3 years, 5 years and 8 years median PE. Current PE is 68. 3 years median PE is 20. 5 years median PE is 20 and 8 years median PE is 70. So if you compare current PE with 3 years or 5 years or 8 years, here very big difference is there. That means currently Alkyl MS is overvalued based on current PE. So conclusion is pros. Zero debt company. Year on year results are excellent. Cons are quarter on quarter results are not good. Overvalued based on 3 years median PE, 5 years median PE and 8 years median PE. Risk is price was increased from 900 to 4,400 in 1 year. So if you want to invest in any company, We need to check positives and negatives. Later, we need to decide to invest or not in any company. Here, Alkyl Amines is fundamentally good company, but currently it is overvalued based on current PE and price to sales. If the market corrects, then this stock also will correct more. So we need to consider positives and negatives of Alkyl Amines. Later, we need to decide to invest or not at the current market scenarios. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.